Christmas cactus, Schlumbergera truncata, a tale of vibrancy and versatility. Growing plants has always been a passion of mine, but few species have captivated me like the Christmas cactus, scientifically known as Schlumbergera truncata. This unique plant, native to the tropical rainforests of Brazil, offers a delightful mix of resilience, charm, and vibrant blooms that feel like nature's holiday gift. A plant unlike any other. Unlike its desert cousins, the Christmas cactus thrives in humid, shaded environments. This rainforest origin shapes its care needs, making it stand out in my indoor garden. Its flat, segmented leaves, adorned with scalloped edges, give it a distinctive appearance that's both elegant and robust. When the holidays roll around, the plant bursts into bloom, showcasing tubular flowers in shades of red, pink, white, or yellow. To me, these blossoms are like festive fireworks, brightening even the gloomiest winter days. FAQs. How often to water Christmas cactus? I water my Christmas cactus every 2 to 3 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings to avoid overwatering. Why is my Christmas cactus turning purple? I've noticed my Christmas cactus turning purple when it's been exposed to colder temperatures, so I make sure to keep it in a warmer spot. Why is my Christmas cactus dropping leaves? When my Christmas cactus started dropping leaves, I realized it was probably a sign of either overwatering or sudden changes in temperature, so I adjusted my care routine accordingly. Where to buy Christmas cactus near me? I usually buy Christmas cactus from local garden centers or specialty plant shops nearby, which often have a good selection. Why is my Christmas cactus not blooming? My Christmas cactus sometimes skips blooming if it hasn't had enough of a rest period or if it's been exposed to too much direct sunlight, so I try to give it a more controlled environment. Can Christmas cactus go outside? I've kept my Christmas cactus indoors year-round, but I've heard that it can thrive outside in shaded, protected areas in warmer climates. Do Christmas cactus like coffee grounds? I tried using coffee grounds with my Christmas cactus, and while it didn't seem to harm it, I didn't notice any significant benefits either. How to revive a Christmas cactus plant? When my Christmas cactus was looking under the weather, I gently trimmed the damaged parts and adjusted the watering schedule to revive it. When to transplant Christmas cactus? I usually transplant my Christmas cactus every few years or when it outgrows its pot, which is typically in the spring. Why is my Christmas cactus turning red? I've seen my Christmas cactus turn red when it's under stress from too much direct sunlight, so I moved it to a more shaded spot. Are Christmas cactus poisonous to humans? In my experience, Christmas cactus are not poisonous to humans, which is great because I've had mine around my kids without any issues. Why are the buds falling off my Christmas cactus? The buds on my Christmas cactus fell off once, and I found out it was due to overwatering and a lack of proper light. How big does a Christmas cactus get? My Christmas cactus has grown to about 12 inches in height, which I find to be a manageable size for my space. Why is my Christmas cactus turning yellow? When my Christmas cactus turned yellow, it was usually a sign of overwatering or too much direct sunlight, so I adjusted its location and watering routine. How to clean Christmas cactus leaves? I clean my Christmas cactus leaves gently with a damp cloth to remove any dust and keep the plant looking healthy. Why is it called a Christmas cactus? I've learned that it's called a Christmas cactus because it typically blooms around the Christmas season, which adds a festive touch to my home. Is Epsom salt good for Christmas cactus? I've used Epsom salt occasionally for my Christmas cactus, and it seemed to help with the overall plant health, but I use it sparingly. Why does my Christmas cactus look limp? When my Christmas cactus looked limp, it was often due to inconsistent watering, so I made sure to keep its watering schedule more consistent. Are Christmas cactus flowers edible? I've read that Christmas cactus flowers are not typically eaten, and I've never tried them myself. Are white Christmas cactus rare? White Christmas cactus are quite rare and unique. I've seen them less frequently than the more common pink or red varieties. Christmas cactus versus Thanksgiving cactus. When I had both Christmas and Thanksgiving cacti, I found that the Thanksgiving cactus bloomed much earlier for me, usually starting in mid-November, while the Christmas cactus waited until closer to the actual holiday season. Christmas cactus versus Easter cactus. Comparing the Christmas cactus to the Easter cactus, I noticed that the Easter cactus had a more prolonged blooming period for me, often extending into the spring, whereas the Christmas cactus was more of a winter bloomer with its peak during the holiday season. Christmas cactus versus holiday cactus. To me, the holiday cactus, which I often see as a general term, seemed to blend the traits of both the Christmas and Thanksgiving cacti. But the Christmas cactus still stood out with its more traditional December blooms and slightly longer-lasting flowers. Christmas cactus versus spring cactus. When I compared the Christmas cactus to the spring cactus, I saw a distinct difference in timing. The spring cactus brought vibrant colors to my space as the weather warmed up, unlike the Christmas cactus, which was a centerpiece during the colder months. Why I treasure the Christmas cactus. The Christmas cactus holds a special place in my collection, not just for its beauty, but for what it represents. Its resilience, adaptability, and ability to thrive with minimal intervention remind me of nature's ingenuity. During the holidays, it becomes more than a plant. It's a symbol of warmth, family, and the joy of giving. Sharing cuttings with friends and family has also been a rewarding experience. These pieces, rooted and nurtured, grow into plants that brighten their homes. It's like spreading a little bit of joy one segment at a time. Final thoughts. Cultivating a Christmas cactus has been a journey of learning and appreciation. It's a plant that thrives on balance, enough light but not too much, regular watering but not overdoing it. This balance resonates with me, especially during the bustling holiday season. Every bloom feels like a reward for the care and attention I've given it. If you're considering adding a Christmas cactus to your collection, I wholeheartedly recommend it. Its beauty, paired with its relatively simple care requirements, makes it an excellent choice for beginners and seasoned plant lovers alike. For me, the Schlumbergera truncata is not just a plant. It's a source of joy and inspiration, brightening my space and my spirit year after year.